it's Brandy with Loving Living Green. We're here today at the Peachtree Road Supercharger in Atlanta in an area known as Buckhead. Something interesting about this supercharger is that in the same shopping complex that's known as Lenox Mall, there is another set of superchargers called the Lenox Road Superchargers. Although these superchargers are not quite as fast as the Lenox Road Superchargers, this one has 16 charging stations. Inside the mall, Lenox has quite an extensive food court. They have restaurants such as Charlie's Philly Steaks, Auntie Anne's Pretzels, Checkers, Chick-fil-A, Chipotle, Corner Bakery, Farmer's Basket, Five Guys, Great American Cookie, Gyro and Wings, Planet Smoothie, and Sarku Japan. If you're interested in what's around other superchargers, please like our YouTube channel and give us a big thumbs up. Thanks, and we'll see you on the road.